This video is for the 2015 up Challengers for the installation of the rear diffuser. So this is the diffuser we're going to be installing. This is just for this video. Over here we have the hardware. So this goes to the cross member behind the rear differential. As most cars will take a nutsert. So show you this. So that bracket is going to attach here. And some cars have a hole and some cars actually are threaded. So we supply the hardware for either one. So for this particular car, it's just a hole. So you're using nutserts. You'll put the nutserts in those holes, and then you'll use this bolt with a washer and a flat washer and a locking washer. So it'll go through here. And if it is threaded, you're going to use this one. So we supply all the hardware for no matter whatever your car situation is. Then we have these two brackets here. They go in the back. So one will go here. You'll see the shorter one of the two, and the other one will go here. So as you can, I'll show you what I mean by the shorter. So the height of this one, you see the height difference. So the shorter one here is the passenger side, and the longer one here, the one with the bigger bend, is the driver's side. All right, first step, since this has the hole in it, we're just going to put the rib nut through. So you'll start with it. Again, if yours is threaded, it's a good idea to spray WD-40 in it and maybe use the bolt that we supply for the cars that are threaded to clean out, because this paint here is kind of thick and it gums up in the threads. But you'll run the bolt up a couple times and it'll clean it just fine. So again, this is the what we call a differential bracket. So it connects to this cross member under here. And now you want to pay attention to which way this is positioned. So you'll see this lip will point towards the back of the car. This one here. Because it does matter which way this goes in. So we'll run the bolts in. Don't tighten it, because leave everything loose so it's all in position. We'll move to the back of the car. So we'll start with that. You're going to reuse this nut to hold our bracket on. You're going to pick the longer of the two, the one with the longer bend. Eyeball it for now, where it looks like it's straight, which all this can be adjusted even if you put the diffuser up. Now this is the shorter bracket. We're going to take the diffuser. We got the bolts ready. We're going to hang it from the front first. just don't tighten it because we want to leave everything loose till we get all the bolts put in. Now you'll come to the back, find your bracket. If you got to move the bracket left or right, you can easily come through here to the top here, grab the bracket, move it over, go to the middle there, find the other bracket. Now this is where you'll square it up. Once it's squared up, then you'll tighten these two bolts in the back. And now we'll tighten up the bracket, your differential bracket, and then we'll finish tightening it up to the car. I'll get a shot of it. Now that all the bolts are tight, very easy installation. One person did it in less than 10 minutes. Very nice piece. Color matched it to the car. There you go.